Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing worse than trying to feed your baby in the middle of a crowded airport or during a flight and feeling like everyone is staring at you. You are trying to manage the diaper bags, the strollers, and a hungry baby, all while trying to maintain some privacy. For the longest time, the only options out there were those massive, tent-like covers that look like you draped a picnic blanket over your shoulder. Not cute, and definitely not the vibe when you are trying to travel like a VIP. But being a breastfeeding mama does not mean you have to sacrifice your style. In fact, a chic nursing cover is the ultimate travel hack. Today, we are spilling the tea on the absolute best designer nursing covers that actually look chic, so you can nurse in style whether you are sitting in the airport lounge or flying up in first class. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your absolute go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your luxury aesthetic. We believe you can totally embrace lactation education and feed your baby anywhere, while still looking incredibly bougie. Grab an iced coffee and let's get right into it. Let's start with the absolute game changer for mamas who want maximum versatility when they travel. You need to look for high-end covers that double as luxury fashion pieces. We are talking about premium bamboo knit ponchos and modal infinity scarves. These are not your average baby gear items. A gorgeous, lightweight asymmetrical poncho looks just like a high-end layering piece you would buy at Nordstrom. You can wear it through the TSA line, style it with your favorite leggings, and when baby gets hungry, it gives you full 360-degree coverage without looking like a tent. The breathable fabric keeps you and your baby perfectly cool, which is essential because airplanes can get super stuffy. It completely eliminates the stress of flashing anyone, while keeping your travel outfit looking effortless and elevated. Next up, let's talk about the structured luxury covers for mamas who want to maintain perfect eye contact with their little one. If you prefer a classic apron style, you need to invest in one made from premium, organic linen or French cotton waffle knit. Look for designer brands that feature sleek, vegan leather straps and matte gold hardware. The real trick here is ensuring it has a stiffened neckline. This allows you to look right down at your baby to check their latch, while keeping the rest of your body completely covered. It slips perfectly into your Chanel diaper bag, takes up zero space, and looks like a gorgeous accessory rather than a utility item. It is the perfect blend of high-end style and practical breastfeeding functionality. Finally, if you want the ultimate multi-use travel hack, go for a designer car seat canopy cover that transforms into a nursing wrap. These are usually made from buttery-soft, breathable jersey fabrics in chic neutral tones or classic stripes. When you are rolling through the terminal, it stretches right over your luxury stroller or car seat to block out the harsh airport lights so baby can nap. Then, when it is time to nurse or pump, it slips right over your head for instant privacy. It is incredibly efficient, saves space in your carry-on, and keeps your travel stress levels at absolute zero. Feeding your baby on vacation should feel empowering, not stressful. With the right high-end gear, you can conquer any trip and feel completely confident. If you loved these style tips, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite chic travel gear. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.